Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to set output properties in Actually Export. Let's begin! Let's start! Output properties is the final step before exporting. In output properties, set the size and image formats when actually exporting. The image size can be changed from resolution in aspect and dimensions. The format of the output image can be changed from output file format. There are many formats shown here to choose. Let's actually render it. Select to render image from the menu bar, or you can use the F12 key. When the render is finished, the render screen will be displayed like this. Please note that in the state, it has not been saved yet. To save, choose Image, then Save. The File View window is displayed. Move to the Output Destination folder. Decide the name and export settings. Then click Save Image As. This is the end of the lecture about setting output properties in Actually Exporting. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.